Hey guys, Rocky Mountain Crawlers here. We're back at it again. I was gonna do the steering box kit on the bottom, the second half for you guys, but it is such a nice day out here that I want to take advantage of doing the Moto built gas tank stretch. So I've already kind of stuck it up in there just to see how it was gonna look. But now we're going to take it out and get it all put back in right. There is one thing to note, that if you buy the XJ Leaf stretch and you put that rear bumper up there, you don't have anything to bolt to that. So we're going to weld up some tabs and get that going. This here's Phoebe. She's is what we call not our cat. She's just your everyday shop cat. She watches me work. All right, let's get right to it and see what we can do. Let's see if it'll work. All right, that's gonna work out nice. We're gonna leave those back bolts on there if we can. It's kind of sitting, and we're just gonna swing that front down. We can leave it like that though. Leave it like that. Well, that did not go at all how I planned. This is such a heavy son of a bitch too. Such a heavy bitch. All right. I want you to take your mud flap here and cut it in half. All right. So it is 35 and a half, 17 and 3/4. I knew it. I didn't need a calculator. Okay. I still got plenty of hose right there. I probably won't even need to extend it. I'll get up, it'll be fine. All right, so this is how they want us to put the rubber on this gas tank install kit. I don't see a lot of videos out there, so that's why I wanted to make one for you guys. If my wife would bring me some beer, that would be nice. So now that we have that taken care of, let's put this back. Gentle. Told you guys to be gentle. Well, I wish that sun would go away. It sure is hot out here. All right. Here's our old tank. She looks happy. I think that went over there to that. Let me go get something to help me out here. I would have went with the other gas tank. I already had one up in here, but I want to be able to utilize this tailgate and put all the stuff that I want in there. Easy. Oh, easy. Well, I got one out. There it is, guys. We have the vents installed. Now we just need to finish. I'll be right back with something that fits this. All right, let's zip it out and see what we got. All right, guys. Well, that's kind of cool. Okay, here's my fuel pump. All right, making me work a little bit. So hot out here today, I'm sweating. Get those pieces put in here and get the pump in. And then once we get the pump in, we could get it stuck back up in there. Don't you go anywhere, I'll be right back. All right. And now we got the rest of this piece put on and that on. Wasn't too bad. All right, now it's gonna wipe up a little bit of my mess. All right, the fun part is now we gotta try and get it back up there. Oh, after we strap down one more piece. All right, it's all put under. Well, guys, I shouldn't have put that damn hose on. It fucked me the whole way. Shouldn't have done it. Let me do that. 2 little clamps. All right, guys. I couldn't do it by myself, so I had to get some help. So let's see now if I can. How much farther?
You need to go down a little bit because you're hitting. Okay, now go to towards the right.
What's it hitting over there?
Now.
It's because you need to get that screw out over there, huh?
No, you're close. So I need you to go. You see where? Ooh.
That's what I'm saying. You see, I'm hitting the other screw. I can't go that way.
Oh.
Are you okay?
Yeah. Stay.
Okay, just enough. That's good. Okay.
Yep.
Can you go do the other side?
That bolt just came right out.
Well, can you go put it through?
If I could find it.
I got the bolt and the nut sitting the same place as the other one. It's harder to reach in there. I need that clamp. That's how easy it is to put one of these in. You know, it's not hard at all. Anybody should be able to do it by themselves. You know, everybody's just being pussies in life nowadays. Tell you what, I struggled. And I don't really like it. I almost would have saved $300 and put the one in the back. All right, guys, stay tuned for the next one. At this point, I decided to move my other Jeep and I forgot the cooler was behind it. All right, guys. Now that we got the Moto built YJ stretch gas tank installed, we're gonna throw a little bit of gas in it and make sure we hook the hoses and everything up right. And this thing hasn't ran for about 6 months, so she may scream at me. We're gonna cycle the key a couple times, just so that fuel pump gets a prime. All right, fire in the hole. Oh yeah, and the belt didn't squeal that bad. Oh wow. Yeah, we should turn that off. I forgot. I was wondering what that was. I did not have my power steering lines hooked up to the box yet, so yeah, I made a mess. But that's the name of the game. Yeah, see, we puked on the diff a little bit. But we're about to, the next video will be that steering box getting buttoned up the rest of the way. We got to cut some stuff off. So, guys, if you guys like any of these videos that we do, you know, if you like and subscribe to my channel, it really helps me out on making other videos for you guys. And so we look forward to seeing you guys on the next one.